Ladies and gentlemen, this is Kuradalan Baloch, a literature student from the Department of English Literature who belongs to the BBSUL, Benazir Bhutto Shahid University, Liari, Karachi. And the purpose to be interviewed today, I'm here to take a survey report, and it's privileged to have one of my friends, Mr. Saeed Noor, who will share his point of view regarding the topic that the role of social media in developing the creative expression in English language learning. Mr. Said Noor.
I'm doing very well, thanks.
Okay, so 3 billion people, around 40% of the world's population use online social media. We spend an average of 2 hours while liking, trading, and updating on these platforms. Do you agree so?
Yes, I do.
Okay, Mr. Said Noor, I've always heard that people saying that social media is an effective means of language learning. Do you agree so? If yes, then how do you think that social media is an effective means of language learning, in particular English language?
Yes, I do agree with that point that people believe social media throughout the world. I totally agree with you. Apparently, students, teachers, lecturers, doctors, they have the connectivity with the social media. You see, lots of things we have done so far. If we talk about the ancient times, so we had no dictionary at all. We used to find words from different religions, different caste, race, and then we gathered the words, and then we had a kind of, we say, prospectus to merge all this stuff together and find out the exact meaning of the word. But nowadays, people are staying connected, they're staying home in order to go to college. We have online classes. This is what the social media is all about. And if you look at the children's prospectus, if you study their horizons, even toddlers sometimes, they are given kind of iPad, iPod, and their parents make them watch the exact, we say, theory of any kind of alphabets, letters, lectures, or anything they have never seen before in their life.
So, survey would be more productive and constructive ever before, and thank you so much.
Assalamu alaikum. I'm Umama Razak from English department and 6th semester at 10th grade. Today I'm doing a survey and I'm going to ask some questions. Assalamu alaikum. Can I ask you a question?
Yeah, sure you can.
Social media has affected the development of English language in many ways. Like new words are existing which has entirely different meaning. Are you strongly agree, neutral, disagree, or strongly disagree with this?
I actually agree with this because I guess social media has many impacts on us. Like we use a dictionary, so we can use the dictionary by using the social media. Like we can use the words which has entirely different meaning. We can discover new words via this. So I must think I should agree with this.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Assalamu alaikum to all. This is me Fazal Khaliq, the student of BS English, 6th semester, 10 batch. So I have a question that I have been given in my project. So the question is that what is the effective way to develop our English expression by using social media? So today I have a student of education, so I would like to ask this question from him. So let's see what is his reply about this, what is his opinion about this. So dear man, what is your name?
Yes, my name is Khalil Ahmed from BS Education, first batch and 8th semester. Means last semester. It's
Okay.
my last semester.
Okay, so the question is that what is the effective way to develop our English expression by using social media?
There are many effective way to enhance, to improve your English language by many sites, likewise WhatsApp, Facebook, YouTube, and Google. Actually, I have used these all sites to improve my English languages. I gave my own example to you all that. First of all, when I came into Karachi for learning English, I was very confused what to do. So I have to join my some of my friends who are learning in English languages, many centers. So they told me that to join us, we will discuss by WhatsApp group, and we will say you how to improve and what we learn. So I gave my number to them. They joined me. So we will discuss, and we always we met video and sit together. We decided to any topic. Mean we raise a topic to discuss about that topic. There are many issues. We raise any issue. One day we raise a issue, and we discuss this another day.
No, the question is that how can we improve our writing and reading through social media?
Yes, this is a very interested question.
Assalamu alaikum. My name is Momina Atta. I'm a student of MA second semester section B. I am here to do some survey questionnaire to analyze people's views. This is a part of our project given by our respected psycholinguistics ma'am, Momal Silro.
Ask Shahbazur Rahman from Commerce Department a question. So, do you mind answering me a question?
Yeah, sure.
Okay, so according to you, has social media affected the way we speak and write English, or in general expressing our thoughts?
Yes, there is probably no way to deny the fact that social media websites have made a significant contribution to the development of English. I personally think that we use sheer amount of slang and informal language. We add more social media lingo in ordinary life, as the social media took our human drives and molded into something else. We see that social media is affecting the way we speak. Bad if depends on the user how he will use it.
Yes, this is 10 grade department semester. So I may take an entered from Nizam. So he's a education in the last semester. So I will be asking question about my project. Psycholinguistics to tell me what is the social media beneficial of any institute of education. So tell me so kind.
Social media is very important for our students and institute because everything is socialized, everything is done by social media. The reporter not take a report every because of the situation is matter on it. Social media is a benefit for a student that in this way the Facebook, Twitter, WhatsApp, everything is update on this. Every new vacancy, vocational, and every industry has own page on social media, and that's where social media play a very important role for in any institute.
Any some kinds of example of social media which could be get help.
And so by social media, first of all, I tell you that by social media, I give you one example for BBSUL University Liari. In this situation, in this scenario, the social media have BBSUL
Zoom
University Liari is now the COVID situation is also doing that. In this way, the BBSUL University Liari took a major role in by Zoom app in COVID scenario. In COVID scenario is that the Zoom app and other applications has also played a very important role because Zoom app and Google Classroom and Blackboard and other scenarios they also have. Every university has to place in every application. Their own application is also and other institutes will be playing a very important role.
And you stand as semester. Give me some experience in your views. So tell me experience with what kind of social media beneficial and your personal life.
According to your personal life, the social media plays important role in this way. When we get any information, when we get knowledge about any topic, we get on we get everything from social media. If we have want any books, if we want any books, then we get to go through Facebook and search and we get it on. And YouTube is also plays very important role for our student life because we get lecture, we listen lecture, and when we do not understand anything from lecture, we go to YouTube and search their lecture and we can easily understand from that.
Assalamu alaikum, this is me Naz Fatma. I'm here to ask a questionnaire which is given by our respected ma'am Momal. And here I am with Miss Ikra from BBA department. So let's ask question of her. Do you believe that social media is playing a good role in enhancing people's English language learning skills in speaking or writing?
Yes, absolutely. Just think 10 years ago, if somebody you met asked you to be their friend or Instagram a photo of their lunch, you'd have scratched your head and wondered if in fact he's alright. The social media platform have given people an illusionist life or vision. Despite that, it is also helping people of other regions of the world to talk in English and communicate. Nevertheless, I think it is important for people to have an understanding of differences in how to use the English language in social media life and in real life.
That's great. Thank you.
My name is Mohammed Hassan from BS English 10th batch. So today I take interview for psycholinguistic. So what's your name?
Syed Musharraf.
Musharraf from?
Family department.
Pharmacy department. So mostly we can use social media. Does it give creative ideas and expression in your own experience?
Yes, I think that social media plays dominant role in learning English. From social media, we get a lot of opportunities to get learning English, like writing skills, reading skills. Different phrases are seen by us on social media. We increase our vocab in social media by reading different articles, editorials of different people from different areas. So I think it is very beneficial for us in learning of English language. So I feel that it is good for us in learning English.
Okay. So what is your own experience in English language? In English social media in English learning?
I have good experience. I'm using social media like Instagram and Facebook. I have many friends from America, Europe, and I learned different writing skills, different styles from American English and European English. So I have a good experience in social media using.
Okay. That's it.
Thank you.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Assalamu alaikum. This is me, Huzma, from BS English 10th batch 6th semester section B. As we got a project from her ma'am of psycholinguistics, ma'am Mumal. For that we have to conduct an interview. Assalamu alaikum. As we got a project from her psycholinguistic ma'am, for that we have to conduct an interview. Will you answer a question?
Yes, I will.
The question is social media creating any impact on developing English learning skills? How do you agree with this statement, or disagree, or strongly agree, strongly disagreed, or are you on a neutral? Can you share your opinion about this?
I am strongly agree with you. So in my opinion, social media plays a dominant role in English language learning because it provides a great platform for the English language learners to improve their vocabulary, to improve their reading, writing. So there are some ways from how social media helps to improve our English and to learn English. By social media we can connect with the native speakers. So there are also some other ways to improve our English language on social media. We can also make groups on Facebook with other culture people. So in this way we can communicate them and we learn their languages. And there are also some other ways, like we can use YouTube So from YouTube we can pronounce the words in a better way by listening the right pronunciation. So in this way, social media helps very much in improving our English language. Thank you.
Thank you.